Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing the essentials. Charge the watch, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and keep your iPhone nearby so pairing completes smoothly. This prevents setup interruptions. Once paired, sign into iCloud and confirm wrist detection and a passcode so health and notifications sync securely. Next, choose a watch face and add 2 or 3 complications: time, activity, and a quick app, because they surface the things you'll use every day without digging through menus. Now configure workflows to make the watch useful every hour. Install core apps like Messages, Maps, Wallet, and your workout tracker so data flows to the watch. This saves reaching for your phone. Then tune notifications, allow only 5 or 6 critical apps to avoid constant buzz while still getting what matters. Once done, set Control Center shortcuts, enable Siri for hands-free commands, and assign a double-press shortcut for payments or workouts, so your most common tasks are one action away. Finish by syncing health goals and enabling background app refresh for the apps you rely on so metrics update automatically. Make a charging routine, top up nightly, or give a 20-30-minute midday boost if you use heavy GPS to keep battery reliable. If something goes wrong, restart both devices first, confirm Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled, and check iCloud status. If sync still fails, unpair and repair the watch. This sequence fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.